Welcome to Marriott's Chariots. We're looking at the old Scalextric Ford GT. This one I picked up at a market. It's in a pretty bad way. You can see all the decals were peeling off. It also had the wrong size tyres on it, so although the motor worked, it did not travel smoothly around the track. It had good looking tyres, but they were the wrong size. So what we're going to do is strip it down. I'm going to remove the decals completely because they're all just falling off. We're going to clean the motor, order some correct size tyres, and then apply some new decals. We'll be back in a moment. So here he is again. We've stripped him down. All the decals are off. Looking quite naked at the moment. Running very well now with the right size tyres on. The motor I cleaned, just gave it a bit of oil, bit of grease on the cogs and things, but yeah, it goes really well on the track. Very impressed with it. Just looks a bit bland at the moment. So we could either get the original decals, but I thought we'd do something different with it. It's got that sort of natural blue which would lend itself quite well to the iconic Golf racing colours, but that's quite common. The GT40s used to have the Rothmans livery as well, and I just so happen to have a set of decals with all the Rothmans logos on. So although the base colour might not be quite true to form, we'll just make our own bespoke one, and we'll just get these decals put on it, and hopefully it'll look more the part. Right, so you can see I've just been brushing on this Microsol solution number 1. I've just cut a bit of stripe off, popped it on. The decal for the Rothmans badge. Just slide off the backing, slide it off the backing, pop it on the car, and we can sort of move it to where we want it. Get a bit more of the solution and just pop it on the top. You've got quite a bit of time to move these around, get them in the place where you want them. Right, so I'll just carry on doing that with 2 hands. Back in a moment. Right, and there we go. He's got his decals on. They've dried on nicely. Happy with that. Didn't put all the decals on. I think it would look a bit too busy otherwise. So it's still got that sort of slight sort of retro look about it. But sort of not too busy, which is good. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And I think we'll leave it at that. Thanks again. Right, so that's the old style Scalextric GT40, brought up to speed a bit with some better decals. Tyres going really well on the track. You can see those are the solutions we used to assist applying the decals. The Microset solution number 1 and the Microsol solution number 2. Just comparing him with the other Scalextric GT40s, you can see they had a lot more detail as they came out over the years. So what I was thinking we might do is, in time, I won't be doing it just yet, but for example the driver in the old original one, there's no other detailing in the cockpit at all, so we could actually get in there, pop his head onto some arms with maybe put a steering wheel in there as well. That will give it a bit more detail in there. Could always mock up some, I don't know, wipers and things as well, but I don't think I'll bother with that. But yeah, I think putting a driver in there with some arms and a steering wheel would help. And also on the you can see there's detail through the back windows on these, to do with the you can see the engine parts, etc. So maybe we could do something in there as well. There's quite a lot of space, so we could create something in there just to give it a bit more detail as well. Interesting enough, I don't know, never noticed this before, but we've got a right-hand drive GT40 and a left, and as you would expect, the gear stick in the center column there. On this one, however, the gear stick seems to be down on the right, which makes life interesting. So I don't know if that's quite right. Right, anyway, thanks for watching, and that's goodbye from the GT40s.